my name is Afra, and today I attended the KFI program partnered with Dubai Islamic Bank. And something that I really liked about this program is I am the president of the Financial Literacy Club here, and I advocate what the cause is that you guys support, educating students of all ages, not of all ages, to an age where they should be aware of such things so that they don't go clueless as they onto their way of adulting. So I really did like the cause that you guys are doing and spreading awareness in a sense. So yeah, so thank you Dubai Islamic Bank for this opportunity.
Hello, my name is Swapnil and I attended the KFI Global event today. I find it really amusing that they're teaching us, the youth, about how we can plan for our financial future, because it's really important for us and we should focus on it early in our lives. I'd like to thank the Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this event.
Hi, my name is Jahan Jacob George and I attended the KFI Global program. I truly enjoyed this program because it made me aware of so many things I often ignored, like credit cards and even about our bills and our statements, and I truly endorse this program to other people as well. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kate and I really enjoyed this program because it was very interactive and informative, and I love that you guys are reaching out to high school students to spread awareness about financial literacy. So I highly recommend the KFI Global program to everyone.
Hello, my name is Pranav and I would like to thank KFI and Dubai Islamic Bank for this amazing opportunity. Actually, when I was very young, I did not know what finance was and I was very uneducated on financial literacy. However, after joining this class, I learned about the various risks in finance, and I also learned about how I could actually prevent these risks, and I learned how to manage and budget certain finances. And yeah, thank you.
Hello, my name is Benjamin and I attended the KFI Global program today. I would really like to thank KFI Global for this wonderful program, and it has really helped me realize how important financial literacy skills are and how it can help me change my life in the future.
Hi, my name is Talia and I really enjoyed attending this workshop as it was really informative and was a real eye-opener to show me what adults face every day with regards to money.
Hello, my name is Ayan and I've just attended the KFI Global program. In this program, they teach you about various things in life and how to manage such things such as money and budgets. And I'm really thankful for Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this video.